Ice cream there, lime, chocolate, choc chip, vanilla, plain vanilla, lemon, and I believe that is to be strawberry. Very nice. Ice cream tastes nice and creamy as well. And everything I'm showing you now is part of your all-inclusive at the Green Nature Diamond Hotel. And here we have another seating area with yet another bar. Outside in the pool areas there's actually 5 pools. Here we're coming up to one of your main bars. Over in the corner you've got your rep stations. Just a nice area to relax in. Seating inside and out. There you go, your main bar. This is the area where you will come. This is the area you will come for your tourism, your trips out, etc.